The red light here indicates that it's recording. Of course, it can also be displayed on the TV. iPhone as monitor. Now we are thinking, since there are already SDI recording boxes available, there's also a recording box for composite, and there's a recording box for HDMI. Is there a recording box for USB webcams? This is Logitech's USB webcam. We're just using Logitech as an example, just to give an introduction and a demo. In fact, USB webcams are used. USB document camera. He needs real-time recording. Or this USB microscope. It can do real-time recording. Or what is called this? Endoscope. This is an endoscope. Its lens is very small. And here is the USB output. Usually, it will look at your foot or check some parts inside the car. The finer details. Or check for any damage inside the tube. It also needs to record. Or real-time monitoring. So I'm wondering if there is such a thing as a USB standalone DVR. There wasn't one before, but our company has created a product called USB Camera Streaming Adapter. It's actually a DVR for a USB webcam. How should I put it? We use the Logitech camera instead. After the USB webcam is input, it can perform some multimedia conversions. The first is HDMI output, and the most important thing is that it can record. You can connect a SSD card or a USB flash card works fine too. Also, it can output to iOS. Right, you can connect it to your iPhone or use an iPad for live streaming. Of course, after you connect it like this, we have similar features. It's the USB webcam bypass feature. It can also connect to PC apps or any video conference software. For real-time video broadcasting, that's not a problem. First, connect the USB from the USB camera to the USB webcam input on the box. Then power it on. This is DC 5 volts of power. Then connect it to the HDMI output. Connect it to the TV. Of course, the most important part is recording. Recording means connecting to this USB SSD card. Like this. At this point, your Logitech camera can become an HDMI output. Now, how do we record? Look, there's a red button here. Press it to start recording. See. Press it. Look, there's a red LED light here. It means that this webcam has recorded to this. It's on USB SSD card. Look. The USB camera records to this memory card. It can also display via HDMI. Of course, we can switch to this. This USB endoscope. This is a USB endoscope. It's very small. Look at its head. It's really small. This endoscope, it can usually be used for industrial inspections or throat examinations, or it could be a body scan. Just unplug this USB. Unplug it. Then plug this in. You just need to connect the USB. See, like this. Now there's a display. Oh, this is a USB endoscope. You can press this red button to start recording. The red light here indicates that it's recording. Of course, it can also be displayed on the TV. Similarly, I'm currently connected to a USB document camera and this box. You just need to press it again. Then, after pressing it once more, it stops recording. I am currently connected to this USB microscope. I am now looking at a butterfly's wing. In fact, when we apply this, we won't use this type of consumer USB camera. We might use this USB document camera or USB endoscope. This type of USB endoscope has a very small head. You can even insert it into your throat. This is a medical endoscope. His function is that there is a camera here, and here is the USB output, and then it could be said that this is made as an industrial endoscope. It's like a tube that you can insert, and then, through this USB interface, you can connect it to a computer to view. Now that we have this device, you won't need a computer. You can just connect it directly, and then you can monitor directly. You can also record with it. This USB camera, besides recording, it also has TV display. It can also have a path for this UVC webcam bypass. You can connect it to your PC. Okay, this is my PC. I connected it to the output of this webcam. Right here. Then you can use it on your PCs. Any video conferencing software. For example, this is a MCAP. Okay, this is the screen. So at the same time, USB webcam. Besides recording and displaying on TV, it can also be used on this PC with any video conference software. When you want to connect this iPhone, please prepare this Lightning to USB 3 adapter. Then connect the USB cable, plug it in, and then connect it to the iPhone. Then connect this end to the adapter, which is the iOS output. At this point, your iPhone should open the app, Media Link Switcher. You should be able to see the screen. This. Oh, look, the current screen is from this webcam. Oh, what can you do on an iPhone? You can do live streaming and recording. If you want to record, just press this button here. Press it, and you can start recording. You can start recording like this. Okay, this is software-based recording. Now, what we just saw is hardware-based recording. They offer two different recording methods. This software can also do live streaming, Facebook, YouTube live streaming. It's the same principle. I'm using this endoscope. It can also be displayed on the TV. It records on this memory card. It can also be used with this software on PC. This is a USB endoscope. A USB microscope. Look at this USB document camera. It can achieve the same effect. USB document camera on iPhone. Standalone USB webcam DVR. It's not meant for recording with this Logitech camera. It's used for special USB cam. Recording from surveillance devices or monitoring, like this USB document camera. Or a USB microscope, or this USB endoscope. Our company has developed USB webcam streaming adapter, which can solve the issues we currently face in healthcare or in education.